Hello, welcome to day 7, what day it is, of our Vlogmas Advent Calendar opening. So today we're going to start with Mario, and I'm starting, I'm afraid, sorry, Bob. Oh, I'm going to drop that one, let's put that one down. Day 7, let's have a look. Oh, that's 1, not 7. It's really difficult to find these upside down. Am I being blind? Oh, Bob found it for me. Day 7's here. I'm open. Oh, it's a little shell. Bear with. There we go. So day 7 is a little green shell. Picture below so you get close up. Next.
Alright, first one today is the mini Funko one.
Yeah.
These are in numerical order, so it's a bit easier.
Oh.
Oh, it's a gingerbread mini.
Oh, that's cute. Again, we'll put the picture below. I say it every time, but we'll put the picture below. My last one for today is the Advent Calendar Game and Puzzle. Stephen for number 7. Oh, we found it. Olaf here. That's good. What have we got? Oh, we've got a little Donald. So it's cute. We'll put it in the below again. And then the 2 puzzle pieces for the board. We'll have to start putting these together soon, so we've got quite a few of those.
Let's wait till we get home from Disneyland.
Yes, definitely.
So the last one for tonight is the Rubber Ducky Advent Calendar.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. Glamorous assistant. Oh, with a little furry hat on.
Oh,
It's like a little penguin almost, that one.
cute. And again, we'll put a picture below so you can see it. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more, please follow along.